Everyone, it's me Nawa Sharifa and I'm back with another makeup video. In this video, I'm going to try to do a natural and simple makeup look. Every time I try to do one, I always ended up making it look extra, but today I'm gonna try to make it as simple as possible. Let's get started. Firstly, you're gonna start with your skincare routine, ending with your sunscreen or moisturizer if it's at night. Then make sure to prime your face and also your eyelids too. I already have. The next step is to take your concealer and just draw like a line under here. I don't usually do like a big coat of it, just like a thin layer like this, not much, and cover all the things you don't want, like the scars, which I have a lot. We're just gonna do that, and then don't blend it yet. Like I said, don't blend it yet because I'm just gonna let it sit there for a while, and while I wait, I'm just going to take a brow pencil and just do like a really thin layer of it too, like just to give the color and shape, not extra or anything. Brush it with the brush. My brows are done. I'm not gonna conceal the rest. I'm not gonna like cover up anything else. I just colored it a bit and brushed it just so it could look more natural, and that's it. Next, you're gonna put foundation on your face. I have to blend my foundation first because I don't have one that matches my shade. My foundation is mixed. Next, I'm gonna brush the foundation with the concealer together. But before I blend it with this brush, make sure you put some setting spray on this. This is how you get a long-lasting and clear, clean look. So yeah, put some setting spray on it first. Step is contouring. I already put 2 lines here for my cheekbones. Next, I'm going to do it for my nose. So the key is to merge it with your brow, like your underbrow here. Like this. Then I like to do just a small line here and a line under my lips. Something like that, yeah. Then I'm taking this brush for my cheekbones, just blend it down right here. Do the same here. Then I'm using the same brush for my forehead contour. Just brush it down up like this. Then I'm taking this contour brush for my nose and my under lips. Just like that, and then my nose. And I'm just putting it here, like just that one line. Really small amount of it. Like this, just like that. And I'm gonna do the same here. Next, I'm gonna put a simple small eyeliner. Then I'm taking a pink blush and lightly dab it. I'm going to put the blusher a bit high. It's around here, and I'm going to put a bit more, but not too much. Like this. I'm gonna do the same here. I'm going to take highlighter. I'm using this one. Just the edges, like just the ends of it. 2 seconds. Off. A few seconds. much better. Again, lastly, you're just gonna want to put setting powder and then setting spray, and your makeup should stay on for a long day. This is the final product. This is just a simple, natural look. I mean, you can use this for weddings or just whenever you want to go out, but you don't really want to do like a extra glamorous heavy makeup. This is actually heavy makeup, but it's more to the natural look than it is a glamorous look. But no matter what, it's still beautiful. No matter how you decide to do your makeup, whether you want to or not, doesn't matter, you're still beautiful. But this is it. This is the look for today. Just a simple look. So thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos, you can go ahead and check them out. They are on my channel. Don't forget to like this video and my other videos. Leave a comment or two. Give me some feedback. If you have any suggestions or ideas that you want to see me do, then leave a comment. Tell me. Can text me on Instagram. My Instagram link is in the description box below. That's it, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Bye!